Wait. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my video. And today I'm going to get the microwave hat and cook burgers. Let's get that hidden money. And no bird should be there, or the bird will get our money from our hand. Let's go fast. And you just see how much money I have. Now I got a microwave hat. Guys, let's see it now. Let's see the microwave hat. Come on. Just give me it right now. Give me the microwave hat. The microwave hat. It zaps nearby rats. Let's test it out in a public server. OMG, I can't believe that I literally got a microwave hat. This is incredible. And what? Onion? I never seen this in cooked burgers. Everyone, I have a microwave hat. Let's just keep the onion over here. Oh no, don't snatch it from me. Don't snatch the onion. OMG, he's gonna be like, onion? Pretty sure there's something missing. I need some rats. Hey kitty, find some rats for me. Or I'll do this. Hey, a seagull. Let's just take this human. Stop that, why should I? Come on. Whoa. Wait. Now we'll just go in super speed. Wait a minute. Let's do that bug. Whoa, we're going in super speed. Do you just see? There's a cat sleeping. Oh, come on in here, Kenny. Here's something. I just saw a mouse. Come on, let me zap him. Hey, yo, I should zap him. Did I just zap him? Or he left the game? I guess he left the game because I'm coming for him. Hey, my girl. Let's just get out of here. Let's go to the private server because those rats are escaping. SSS Cutie. That's the developer. I know, that's a very funny user. I literally got a microwave. OMG, I literally got a microwave. Dude, why do I still have the bun? Now let's see if I still have. I have the microwave hat. OMG. I love it a lot. Let's just search for some rats now so we can zap them or taste them. Hey! OMG, I got the microwave. You want the finest bug? Okay. Give me a bug and I will judge. Okay, a bug. Okay? I'll just give you a bun. Just kidding. It's gonna be a French fries. It's gonna be a French fries. It's gonna be a French fries burger. But it's gonna be with one patty. Let's keep the patty over here. Let's stab the patty. Baby! Hey. So cooking. I'm dabbing the patty so it can cook. I'm keeping my legs on the patty. Keeping my legs on the patty. And the patty just flew. Oh no, the patty's dirty. We have to wash it. The patty's dirty and I washed the patty. Patty, are you okay? Little patty. Oh, I need the French first. Just keep the French fries. And it's gonna be so funny when I give it to her. She's gonna be like, French fries. that a burger? Okay, so these guys want French fries, so let's give them. Oh, guys, I kind of did a voice reveal. Let me just eat my snack. I'm eating my snack. Let me order something first. Or I'm just gonna buy some potatoes from the shop. It's gonna be $15. First, let's just see how much, because I actually don't know how much is potatoes. Yeah, there's the potatoes are there. So they're actually 15. So potatoes are $15. So let's get some $15. Oh, whoa, I just found it. One $5 and one $10. That's what I actually need. Because 5 plus 10 is 15. It's yours. I know it's mine. Don't need to tell. Come on, let's just go. Dude, I just saw a rat nearby. Let me just see my snack. My potatoes. OMG, I can't believe it. Potatoes and cooked burgers. OMG, potatoes. Let me just eat soon. I'm gonna eat the potato. Mmm, yummy. Let me eat it. More tastier than that. Hey! Let's just guard the tomatoes by using the I taste you. Who wants? This is a tomato shop. It's a tomato shop. Let me just eat one right now. Only another one. Gee, guys, the potatoes are incredible. Who wants to take my potatoes, huh? Looks like nobody wants to take my potatoes because they're so cool. Your garden very nice. Who wants to take my potatoes, huh? I mean tomatoes. Let's keep a tower of tomatoes. Oh man, it's gonna be a tower of potatoes. I'll miss you, potatoes. Just miss you, potatoes. Bye, bye, tomatoes. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, that guy wants one with a tomato. That's my job. We gotta make one with a potato now. I mean a tomato. OMG, why am I calling it a tomato? I mean potato. OMG, why am I even calling it that? There we go. Bro wants a dish with potato. I mean tomato. I love tomatoes. Rough, risky. What? Guys, do you know now I'm going to martial arts class? Yeah, I'm going to martial arts class. You want to learn some martial arts? I will teach you them in the next video. Oh, and cheese, so little dish with some potato. Tomatoes. Please don't leave the restaurant. Oh no, why did I give it to her? What? Bim. Let's buy some things from the shop, guys. Hello? I don't want you. I want to go to that supermarket. Let's just go to that supermarket. This is a joke, okay, guys? Not a meme. I'm open at night. It's already night, my guy. Storage box. What's that? Give me that. OMG, it's a storage box. How much money? Get out of the car. Need to pay for it. How much? Maybe let's just give 2. Let's just go 2. Bring more cash. Okay. So much is in this. Need more money? Are you serious? I'll just give him like 40. Okay. Give me now the 10 money. That's not enough? Hey, yo, Seagull! Is a seagull literally pooping? We need to sell the seagull. Need more money? Then just take the seagull. Stealing my money. You can't escape. What was that? He gave me some money back. Thanks for giving me some money, man. You're the best guy ever. Let me just take this tea to my burger shop. Shoo! Woo! Where's in that storage box? Okay, guys, we're the last subscriber. And guys, we need 400 money to get the microwave hat, okay? And we need 200 money to get the bun hat. So don't forget to like and subscribe.